In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a PDF on Google Drive. Locking a PDF in Google Drive is a quick way to make the file read-only for collaborators so no one can modify it, add comments, or change its details while it's locked. This is especially useful when you've finalized a document and want to preserve it exactly as it is. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign into your account and you'll land on the Drive home view. This is where you can see your recent files and folders. Make sure you're on the web version of Drive since these controls are easiest to access there. Next, find the PDF you want to lock. You don't need to open the file, just click it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. If your file is inside a folder, navigate into that folder first or use the search bar to locate it by name. With the PDF selected, right-click to open the context menu. This menu gives you options specific to the file you highlighted. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On some devices, you can also press Shift plus F10 as an alternative. From the context menu, choose File Information. This opens a details panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you can review metadata like the file's owner, location, and activity. It's the control center for file-specific settings that don't appear in the standard toolbar. Inside the File Information panel, look for the Lock option and click it. You may see a confirmation prompt explaining that locking will prevent edits and other changes while the file is locked. Confirm to apply the lock. Once it's locked, the file becomes read only for others, and actions like editing, organizing, or commenting are blocked until you unlock it again. Keep in mind you typically need to be the owner or have editor access to lock a file. If you don't see the lock option, check your permissions or ask the owner to apply the lock. A few tips before we wrap up. Locking in Drive doesn't password protect the PDF, it simply enforces a read-only state within Google Drive. If you need encryption or a password on the file itself, you'll want to apply that using a dedicated PDF tool before uploading it. You can unlock the file anytime by returning to the same file information panel and turning the lock off. Also, interface labels can vary slightly depending on your account type, but the steps are the same. And that's it. You've successfully locked a PDF on Google Drive, keeping your documents safe from changes while you share or store it.